What happens when trading meets the excitement of the World Cup? PU Prime presents the PU World Cup 2026, a special campaign that allows traders to collect coins, predict match outcomes, and win exciting rewards throughout the tournament. In this video, we'll break down how the promotion works and how you can maximize your chances of winning. Quick disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial investment or trading advice. Let's dive in. So this is the tournament page, and every day participants can complete simple missions to earn coins. These missions include daily check-ins, deposits, trading activities, and copy trading. The more active you are, the more coins you can accumulate. New users can also earn bonus coins through their first deposit, opening copy trading accounts, and of course referring friends. Now, one of these promotions is the Golden Kick. This is one of the most exciting features of the campaign. Every participant receives one free kick daily, with additional kicks available through trading activity. Each kick gives you a chance to win rewards, such as signed football jerseys, deposit rebate coupons, profit booster coupons, loss protection coupons, and bonus coins. The more you trade, the more opportunities you have to win. Next, let's talk about the Match Day Predictor. Football fans will love this. Participants can predict the outcome of the World Cup matches and actually earn coins for correct predictions. If you can accurately predict the exact score, you'll actually even receive greater rewards. So definitely check that out.
Guys, this video is sponsored by Primelink. Now, Primelink is definitely something you should be using because you get backlinks, you get QR codes, you get analytics, and much more. So definitely check out Primelink in the description. Let's get back to the video.
Now, there's also the Top Trio Predictor. If you think you know who will dominate the tournament, with the Top Trio Predictor, you can forecast the teams that will finish as champions, runner-ups, or third place. The more accurate your predictions, the more coins you can earn. But what about the Coin Pool and Rewards Hub? Well, this is where it gets interesting, because the coins aren't just for collecting, they can be redeemed through the Rewards Hub for a variety of valuable rewards. In addition, participants can compete for a share of the coin pool, featuring up to $50,000 in rewards for eligible traders. Now, they're also doing a lucky draw. The excitement does not stop here, because participants can actually enter the lucky draw events for a chance to win incredible prizes. Some of these include an iPhone 17 Pro Max, MacBook Air, cash rewards, and of course, exclusive merchandise. The more actively you participate, the greater your chances of winning. Now, getting involved with this is super easy. Just open a live account and opt in, and then participate via the page, and then earn rewards from there. If you're an existing client, all you got to do is opt in and then participate, and you will earn just the same. The PU World Cup 2026 campaign runs from May 1st to July 31st of 2026 and is open to both new and existing PU Prime clients. If you want to combine the excitement of football with trading opportunities and reward-winning potential, this is an event you won't want to miss. Click the link in the description to register and start collecting coins today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Just remember, trade, predict, win, and join the PU World Cup 2026 with PU Prime today.